Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. But you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!